Hi everyone, welcome to Srishti. Today I will share you a nice tutorial. I am gonna show you how to make this beautiful coaster. It is a very easy pattern and I will show you step by step how to make it. For this tutorial I am going to use 6 ply cotton yarn and a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I need scissors and darning needle. I am calling it 6 ply because it is thicker than 4 ply. I am using Yarn Art Creative yarn and it is very soft to touch. Coaster should be made with cotton. It will give you a better texture. And if you place a warm cup of tea or coffee, it will not deform your coaster. But if you make it with acrylic yarn, it may cause any deformity to your coaster. So let's start. I will start with a magic ring. And I'll make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. After this, I will make 11 double crochet, and these first 3 chains will count as a first double crochet. So let's start with double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook within the loop, pull the yarn. Now 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. First double crochet is done. I'll show you again. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Like this. After finishing 11 double crochet, I will show you how to complete the first row. 11 DCs are done. Now we have to join this with a slip stitch. We will join it on that third chain of that first 3 chain with a slip stitch. And you make the center tight so that no gap will be there. Now let's start the second row. First we will make 3 chains and it will count as a DC or double crochet. Now we will make 2 more chains. This chain will be the chain space. Now we will make DC or double crochet on top of each double crochet of previous row. I will show you. Yarn over, insert the yarn on the top of that DC and pull the yarn, and now you have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we will make again 2 chains and DC on the next DC. So we will continue like that. We will make 2 chain and double crochet on top of each double crochet of previous row, and I will show you after finishing this row. Now you can see I have made all the double crochet and 2 chain gap. So I have made the last 2 chains, and now I will make a slip stitch on the third chain of first 5 chains. These 2 chain I will keep as 2 chain space. So I will make a slip stitch in that third chain. Now my second row is done. I will show you how to make the third row. We will start with 3 chains and we will do 2 double crochet in this 2 chain space. yarn over, insert the hook, pull the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Make another. Now I will do a double crochet on the top of the double crochet of previous row. Like this we will complete this row. 2 double crochet in the 2 chain space and 1 double crochet on the top of the double crochet of previous row. I will show you after finishing this row. I have done all the double crochets. Now I will join it on that third chain of the first 3 chain with a slip stitch. Now third row is done. After finishing third row, you should have 36 stitches, counting this first 3 chain as a double crochet. As a total you will have 36 stitches. Now you can cut this yarn and we will do the next row with some other color. So take a scissor and cut it and darn it with darning needle. I will show you how to do the fourth row. Start the fourth row with another color of yarn and make a single crochet on top of any double crochet. So I made a loop on the or knot on the hook and making a single crochet in the top of any double crochet like this. Now make 2 chain and skip 1 stitch and make another single crochet in next stitch. So we will keep on doing 2 chains and skip the next stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. 2 chains, skip the next stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. So after finishing this row I will show you how it will look. My fourth row is almost done. I have made the last single crochet and now I will make 2 more chains and now I will join it with a slip stitch with the next single crochet, first single crochet. So it is done. Now we will do the fifth row. For fifth row we will be working on the chain space. We will skip this single crochet and we will be working on within the chain space. So I have to take the yarn in the first 2 chain space. So I will insert the hook within the chain space, grab it and pull it through the loop to make a slip knot. Now I will make 3 chains. These 3 chains are count as a first double crochet. Then I will make 5 more chains. 3, 4 and 5. These 5 chains are chain space. So first 3 chains and then 5 chains. And now I will do a double crochet in the same space. Then I will skip the next chain space and I will be working on the next. So skip the next and work on this 2 chain space. I will make a double crochet and 5 chains another double crochet. Like this we will do full the round. We will skip the next one and we will do next. We will do a double crochet, 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and a double crochet in same chain space. Again we will skip this and we will work here. After finishing this 5th row, I will show you. My 5th row is almost done. I have done the last cluster, that is 1 double crochet, 5 chains and another double crochet in the chain space, and I'm keeping this chain space, and now I will join it. I will join it in the top of the 3rd chain because these 5 chains are the chain space. So insert the hook just through the 3rd chain and make a slip knot. Now your 5th row is done. It will look like this. Now I will go to the 6th row or last row. Last row I will start with 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a DC or double crochet. Now I will make 6 more double crochet in this chain space. So I am showing you 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So total 7 stitches in this space. After this I will make a single crochet in that junction of these 2 double crochet. Just insert the hook below this space and grab the yarn and make a single crochet. Now I will make 7 double crochet in each this 5 chain space and a single crochet in between this junction of the double crochet. So I will show you one more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now make a single crochet in the junction of 2 double crochet. So after finishing all the double crochet cluster, I will show you how to end it. 6th row is almost done. I have done the 7 double crochet of last 5th chain space, and now I will make a single crochet in the next junction and make a slip stitch on the top of this 3 chain, like 3rd chain. So make a slip stitch there and your coaster is done. I will show you after darning how it will look. After darning it will look like this. This is the back side and this is front. It's a beautiful coaster and you can gift it to anyone. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. If you want many more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.